Morning, guys. It's Friday, July 2nd. Yeah, July 2nd. I just got done on my second 12-day stretch. I just got done my day 5 out of 12, so I'm pretty beat, but not nearly as busy as I'm gonna be by the end of the week. And I mean it this time. I'm definitely gonna clean my freaking breezeway in my garage up a little bit. So anyway, I'll show you what the thing is doing, or has been doing. I have to let it off for a while before I can start it up again. So we're gonna watch it make a liar out of me and actually start up. Nope. Okay, so that's what it's doing. Now, I've read the comments, and KB is about having a similar problem. One of his units that got the TXV upgrade. Great upgrade, by the way. I don't regret doing it at all because I know in the long run it's going to benefit. Make the unit run better, healthier, cool better. Okay, so obviously the big capacitor is the run cap for the compressor. I don't even have to look at that, but I will anyway just to verify. And it is just as I suspected. I put these new caps in when I restored it, obviously. So what we are going to do now is install this. KB sent this to me in the mail. It arrived yesterday. Now, I am not an HVAC tech. I'm an industrial electrician by trade, technically, but that doesn't really involve this. I will say I am second to best in the restoration of these. I'm an enthusiast, and I'd say freaking KB has me beat, but I will proudly and confidently claim second place for restorations. Not to sound stuck up or nothing. But yeah, we are gonna hook this up according to the print diagram here. So allegedly, all I gotta do is parallel this with the run cap for that. Now, actually, KB has a video up that I should probably actually watch first, and I didn't really think of it until I've had a long week. Forgive me, but I'll actually watch it after I'm done here, which actually makes no sense whatsoever. But there's a diagram here. I'm only gonna run it for a few minutes like that until I either get feedback or I'm gonna go and watch KB's video after I'm done here. It's not gonna do nothing. I've used hard start kits before for that 53 feathers, but like I said, not for a long period of time. It's not gonna hurt for a little bit. It's just simply a start kit. So what I'm gonna do is unplug this quick so I don't. I'll unplug it so I don't zap the living crap out of myself. Gotta move my niece's helmets out of the way too. Alright, so that is so in case it doesn't have a terminal, you can clip this on and clip the existing terminal onto it. We're not going to need that, so we're just going to put this. It's unplugged. I guess this is going to be the neutral. Why else are we more than one on there? Or it really doesn't matter, does it? This is definitely the simpler of the two, so I'm going to put this one down here on this one. Come on. 1 second as I slip that. There we go. We got it. We're good. That all the way in? Yeah, pretty much. It's a good connection. Passes in my book. Alright. We got that on down there. And we'll put this one on, obviously, because why overcomplicate it? Put that one on right there. And, what are we going to do with this? Not going to be too high? Probably. Why wouldn't it be? That would be too easy. No. Crap. I got an idea. Here you go. It's not like it's going to be vibrating much. We're just going to tuck that in. This hard start kit. Tuck it in down where it's out of the way. Is there anything what's touching it now? Something's crowding it up. I'm gonna drive my OCD up a flipping wall is what it's gonna do. That's a ground wire. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so we're gonna plug it back in. And we're gonna see if I'm getting fat. Like I can't even breathe and bend over anymore. Alright. And see if this made a difference. And hopefully you don't get fireworks. Huh. Whoops. probably just leave that thing off and be done with it. It's already blowing cold. So I definitely got it hooked up right. Now the question I have is, it doesn't say anything on here about not needing a relay to kick it off. Like I said, I guess it does it automatically. It's not overly loud. It is blowing cold. But it's not blowing full strength through here because I got the top off. There's your thermostat probe down there. That airflow got a lot stronger right there. It's already sweating up the evaporator. Well, we're at 7 minutes and 15 seconds right now, so what I'm going to do is start putting this back together. And we'll start the compressor up again. Give it roughly 2 minutes to equalize, which from the comments I've gotten, what KB was telling me, the problem I'm having with this was that the TXV doesn't, unlike the cap tubes, doesn't let the pressure equalize, so that's why it has, it's kind of like starting a compressor under a full load. So hopefully that resolves the problem, which I think it will, according to how it just fired back up, no problem like that. I actually do want to restore this unit again. I want to take everything. I know it might sound stupid, but I want to take it all back apart. I want to redo the base mod and get rid of the Bondo. I think it was Bondo. I forget what the hell I did there. I forget what I used. But around that, and just have it drain into the pan. But just put a drain hole in with a matching plug to plug it, just in case I ever have a desire to run it, you know, the way it's supposed to, which I normally won't. But on a really hot day, it wouldn't hurt every now and again to let it run like that. Just don't let it sit. Like I said, only on like the really, really hot days, like in the rare days where it hits 100, or if it's running when it's in the upper 90s, that'd be a good day to plug it. But like I said, under normal circumstances, I wouldn't even do it. Reason I'm turning these in by hand is because I only have one hand right now because I got the camera in the other. Come on, man. This is a quality unit. If it's going to go anywhere, it's going to go right up there where the Emerson is. But the problem is, I really don't want to get rid of the Emerson. Should probably get the drill out here to make a lot more sense, wouldn't it? Yeah, I might as well give it 3 minutes now. It's already going on 10. I also want to find a switch that I can make, maybe instead of having that vent there, it doesn't work anymore. I'll put another switch in and make it like an energy saver. That'd be pretty cool. All right, well, I got most of it together, and we're past 3 minutes, so let's fire this up again and see if it's still running. Yeah, there we go. Freaking perfect, man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to finish putting this back together, and I'm going to go play some Call of Duty World War II for a little bit. Peace out, and thanks for watching.